So
left CCR, right CCR. When you put the battery on, your left CCR will power up first. When you have APU power or external power, then your right CCR will get power. Without left CCR, you can't start the APU. You can't start the power.
so first we wait for the screen to.
If you are outside near the landing gear, you'll hear the brakes sound when you switch on the battery, because these are electric.
No. So we have power here, also here.
Okay. Now if you go to maintenance,
Now
APU on. APU door command open, but the APU door is still closed.
this is closed.
It will take time. Now open. Now you can start.
We have power. So here in the status we should have a message with APU running, something like that, yeah? Anyway, it's a lot of message now. Now we have power. So 4 minutes.
It will take for entire power up, it takes more. Still, it's not powered up.
Stall already.
Now it's powered up.